For the second 3-year period in a row, our production plant in Drongen, Belgium has been awarded with the prestigious title. We can proudly call ourselves Factory of the Future. Part of the reason why we managed to carry this title again is that our factory has been conceived, built and expanded to be the beating heart of a dynamic organization that fully embraces the idea of open innovation. My name is Christine Quintana, manager of the Market Support Platform team, and it's a real pleasure to tell you a bit more about this topic. With our innovation, we strive to stay ahead and differentiate ourselves into the market. We approach innovation on 2 different levels: short-chain programs and projects on the longer term. Our people, as well as our infrastructure, is organized to match and support this way of working. The first level is what we call short-chain innovation. This involves scouting the market inside but also outside our own industry. Within our teams, we are constantly searching and screening possible wins towards our portfolio of concepts and processes, making sure we deliver sustainable value towards a responsible food chain on the short term, if not immediately. The second level of innovation is oriented towards the long-term future of the agri-food industry. This part of our R&D strategy is managed by a separate, dedicated team, composed of developers and researchers who are encouraged to explore more radical improvement for our industry and contributing to a responsible food chain for our future generations. Now let's talk about the open part of open innovation. Our shrinking local markets, the need of improving yields to be able to feed the world, animal welfare, climate-friendly, sustainable and digital solution, a trustworthy, transparent food chain. We strongly believe that we can make a difference. But a real difference with impact we should do together. That is why we fully commit to the concept of innovation networks. We team up with universities, research institutes, governments, suppliers, and our customers around the world. Last but certainly not least, we have set clear KPIs for our innovation department, determining that at least 25% of our new processes, products and services should come from innovation projects. And another 15% of this should focus on sustainable wins. Some recent examples of our innovations are an increased reuse of byproducts from the food industry or an extensive research into alternative protein sources. Consider this as an open invitation to reach out to us with any question, idea or project you may have in mind. We are very eager to collaborate on innovation better together.